So YouTube, that's my second try. I tried yesterday to get this thing running, but wouldn't. Battery was too empty. Now I recharged the battery and I hope I get it going. Like you see, it's dead cold. Sitting here since 2 weeks or so. Really cold. Yesterday night we had about minus 10 or so. Now it's just minus 5. It's very snowy, and let's see if we can get this one going. I've got to pick up a trailer, and well, if we are able to, would be good. If not, wouldn't be so good. So, gear out, clutch. So. No way, I've got to get some fluid to start it. So I've got my trusty old starting fluid. Now it should start.